name's Adrian. I work at WF Maxwell's. I'm going to teach you a little bit about trimming down some beef tenderloins. We're going to start on the back side of it right here. We're going to pull off some loose fat. Most of this will just come off right with your hands. Don't have to get too nitty-gritty yet. You start pulling it out, and if you notice right down in here, there's a little bit of sinew, tendon-ish material. I'm going to cut that out. That won't cook away. The fat will, but some places they like to leave a little fat on because it adds weight and they kind of cheat their customers a little bit, but we're going to take it off just because we don't need it there. We have on this side what's known as the chain, and that goes all the way down, and it's actually spiraled with tendons inside of it. So we need to separate that from the tenderloin itself, and we're going to start with this little nook here. This is right where it connects up to the sirloin, and there's a big wall of fat. So we're just going to see if we can. This little stuff. Sometimes you can rip it out. This one's a little tougher, so you can cut it out. Right here on the end, there's a little awesome piece. Tear duct shape. It's got a little tendon running through it, but usually it's just off to the side here, like it is. I'm just going to cut it out. The tendon away. Off all this fat. And we got a nice little piece of beef here for soup, a little sandwich snack, whatever you want. Right here where these two pieces connect, tendons kind of go all the way through it. They connect on both sides between these two pieces. So what I like to do is just kind of roll it at an angle like this. You see where there's a clear line where they start. Stick your knife in there just ever so slightly. Just cut through. We're going to take a little meat with it, but that's okay. We'll add that to our soup pile. Cut I'm going to make is just going to be a little scrap of soup piece. And then we're going to start cutting fillets. Here at Maxwell's we have two different sizes. We have a 5-ounce crab stuff fillet, which goes on our surf and turf special. And then we also have our 7-ounce fillet, which is our normal entree size. So you just got to work what you get with. This chain can sometimes you get a whole steak out of it, sometimes you can't. Go through it. Just cut everything to weight that we need, and every little scrap we'll just keep cutting into soup. Don't want to waste it. The center of the fillet, so the biggest parts, I'm going to take my biggest steaks from there. And on the ends, I'm going to take my smaller steaks. And then I'll get down to this piece here, and that's 7 ounces. Not anything I really want to make an entree-sized steak for the restaurant, but I might be able to do a butterfly. We're not going to be able to stuff this one, but I can still show you. I'm just going to take it like that. We're going to cut almost to the bottom. And all we got to do is flip it over. Nice little steak there, it's been buttercut.